What's going on, everybody? Today is a special day, okay? Special day because one, I'm gonna be getting rid of this differential and these axles. Two, I ain't gonna tell y'all just yet, but just know it's a special day. I'm getting ready to be on my way to go drop these axles and this differential off and pick up that little surprise for y'all. So I'm gonna load it up into the car and I'll see you guys when I get there, all right? All right, y'all. So I'm on my way to go pick up. I told y'all it was a secret. Y'all thought I was gonna tell you, man. Nah, I ain't telling you nothing. I ain't telling you nothing. You'll see when I get it. I'm on my way to go drop off my Torsen differential with the axles to the new, basically the new owner, and then I'll be picking up something right after that. I will see you guys when I get to where I'm going, all right? I finally made it back to the crib. It was kind of late when I got back, so this is the next day. No more Torsen LSD, it's gone. No longer mine, no more stock axles, but I told y'all I do have a surprise for you. So I'm about to go ahead and introduce y'all. That right there is the new rear end setup I'm gonna be putting in the car. I'm gonna go through it all real quick for you. Obviously, we're gonna start with the basics. If you guys don't know what these are, it's still hope out there for you, but I don't know how much hope, but there still is some hope. But these right here are the axles. I went with the Drive Shaft Shop Level 5 axles. Those things are rated for, I want to say, 1,000. Next to it is the cover for the differential itself. Now I'm gonna show you the differential, the cover that's on the differential right now, and why we can't use it. It has this ugly, funky thing, and that's just not gonna bolt up and work in the Lexus. So this is the one that they sell with the kit that I have. And if you don't know what kit it is, bam, right there, Grannas Racing. So this is the one that we're going to be using, or that comes with the kit to bolt into the car. Now, right above here is the, I don't know what exactly you want to call it. I just call it the plate. I call this the cover and I call this the plate. This actually goes on top like that. And this is to mount it into the rear. Is it 3 studs? So you can mount it in the back of the car. And here we have the rebuild kit for the differential. Again, you see what it is, Grannas Racing. But the rebuild kit, in here I have all the seals and bearings and everything I need to rebuild the differential. I have all the mounting hardware I need to mount the thing in the car, bolts, washers, you name it. And then I have the differential. Okay, now, and this differential, this one is specifically from a Ford Explorer. I want to say from a 2007 to 2010. Now, Grannas uses the one from the Ford Explorer specifically for the kits for the Toyota Supras and the Sc300s. I don't know specifically why. I don't know exactly why he does. He obviously has done his research and he knows. But what I do know about this differential is, if anything ever happens to the diff, you can go to a junkyard and grab another one from anywhere from $100 to $300. They're pretty reasonable in price. So that's probably one of the reasons why he decided to go with this one. And the other thing is, it is aluminum, so it saves us a little bit of weight. Don't think that may matter too much, but you know, every pound counts, I guess. They do have other options as far as the 8.8 diff. They come in different cars: Cobra, Thunderbird. Probably comes in more than one car. I mean, more than those cars as well. But I know for a fact that Thunderbird and the Cobra, it's in my head somewhere, but I can't really think of the name right now. But that is it for the differential. And then right here, I'm sorry guys, I don't really feel like opening this thing up, but basically this is, I don't know what exactly you want to call it, but it mounts up here and basically aligns the ears from the differential to basically the holes on the car, so you can bolt the thing up inside the car. I'll get more depth into it when I decide to go ahead and install everything and I open it all up, and I'll show you guys exactly how it looks. This is it right now. That's the 8.8. All right, so now that you guys see the surprise that I have for you guys, I hope you guys are happy. I hope it really was a good surprise. I mean, I kind of already hinted out earlier in the video, but I'm trying to keep everybody just entertained, make sure that they, you know, they're enjoying it themselves and they really like the content. So trying to do what I can. But anyway, that's it for you guys. I'll make sure I get back to you guys on another day. Oh, I got more parts coming in. The differential that I have right now is a 355 gear. We don't want that. Not with that 6-speed setup I have. So I got a 327 coming in that I'm gonna be swapping when the thing gets rebuilt. I'm gonna be changing the gear and all that kind of stuff. Until next time, guys, I'll see you.